I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil filter Mini Cooper R50 full guide. First, park on level ground, engage the handbrake, and disconnect the negative battery cable. Raise the car safely using jack stands and place a drip pan under the oil pan. Remove the oil filler cap to aid draining, then loosen the drain plug and let the oil flow into the pan until it slows. Begin by draining most of the oil, then remove the oil filter cap with the correct socket and set the cap aside. Take out the old filter element and compare it to the new one for a match. Clean the housing, install the new filter, and ensure the new O-ring is seated correctly and lightly oiled to prevent leaks when reassembled and torqued to spec. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They make working under the car much comfier. I put the product link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once the new filter is fitted and the cap is torqued, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer if applicable and tighten to spec. Refill the engine with the correct oil grade and check the level with the dipstick, adding slowly to avoid overfill. Start the engine, watch the oil pressure light, inspect for leaks, then let the engine idle briefly before shutting off and rechecking the oil level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.